Hi everybody, such a pleasure. I've got my new box here and here it is. If you join my program, this is what we give you. If you have a look, this is the Global CXO Program box that you get when you join, and there's a personalized letter from myself that's available for you. And let's see the other goodies. So here you have a goal setting book, right, where I teach you how to write your goals, because without goals you don't get anywhere. Then I have a book on positive affirmations, and this is how you reprogram your mind. Then I've developed a gratitude journal for you so you can express your gratitude every single day. And we have a book here on cognitive reframing, which is really great. And I have a special book for you here. This is the Global CXO Program diary, where you make notes, and with a special pen branded with the company. And guess what's here? Let's see. We have a mug here, which is an I am a CXO mug. And I look forward to having you in my Global CXO program so I can give you this kit and you can get started on your journey to become a CXO. See you in the program.